Today we're going to talk about continuous functions. So, continuous is a word you should have heard of before and probably think of a few ways to explain it. But a basic way, continuous, continually, keeps on going. So when we talk about a continuous function, just in general, we can say that the function keeps going without any interruptions. So interruptions would be things like holes, so there are no holes, no asymptotes would be another example of an interruption in a function. No breaks, where there might be a part of the graph that has no domain for extended period of time, and no jumps. So I'll give you kind of an example of each right underneath them. So holes, we've seen that before, where maybe you have like a graph, in this case of a parabola, with a hole, an x value that's not part of the domain, so that's not going to happen. No asymptotes, we just finished talking about functions like that. So if we have any asymptotes like that, then it's not continuous. No breaks, something along those lines would be maybe a graph that looks like this, where there's a big portion where there's domain missing. And then a jump would be similar but a little bit different, where maybe our graph has all x values as part of its domain, but it jumps from this part up to here, right? So these are kind of directly above each other. So again, none of these can occur in order for a function to be continuous.